Hi everyone, it's Megan Connolly from Lowe Scott Fisher, and I wanted to take an opportunity to invite you to have a cup of coffee with me and talk about the hot coffee case. So we all have heard about the case, and it comes up with my clients and friends and family, and it comes up in country music and in pop culture all the time. But as many people who have heard about the hot coffee case, not very many people actually know what the case was about. So we can take a fun quiz together and learn a little bit about the case. So the first question for our quiz today is, what were the injuries suffered by the plaintiff in the hot coffee case? First choice is her pants were damaged. Second choice is she had first-degree burns on her lap. And the third choice is she suffered second and third-degree burns over 16% of her body, including her private areas. You got it. The third choice is the right choice. So she suffered second and third degree burns over 16% of her body, and they were very severe injuries that required skin grafting and all of the burn treatment that you hope you would never need to receive in your life. The second question is about, why was the coffee so hot? So choice A is going to be, it was an employee's mistake. B is going to be, it was an equipment malfunction. And choice C is, it was by design because this was part of the business model at McDonald's. Again, the right choice is C. The coffee was so hot because McDonald's had done an analysis, and according to the case materials and the evidence at the trial, McDonald's profited by serving coffee that was overly hot at 180 to 190 degrees so that free refills would be less common, so people could enjoy their cup of coffee for a longer period of time, and it would generally stay fresher for that purchaser longer. The third question for our quiz is, what was the plaintiff doing when she spilled the coffee? Choice A, she was driving while she spilled it. Choice B is she was a passenger in a vehicle that was in motion. And choice C is she spilled it in the passenger seat of a vehicle that was stopped. And finally, the answer is, again, C. She actually was in a stopped vehicle, and her grandson was in the driver's seat. They were stopped, and so although the jury did find that the plaintiff was partially at fault for causing her injuries by being the person who spilled the coffee, I do believe that the evidence showed she was very reasonable in trying to open her cup of coffee with the vehicle parked. So hopefully we learned a little bit about the case today, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at Lowe Scott Fisher.